Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, our goal is to take this region in yellow underneath the line y equals x from 2 to 4, and we're going to rotate it around the line x equals 1 using washers. Washers in general, basically we're going to do the volume of a disk, and then we're going to subtract out the hole-shaped disk. So we get pi big R squared minus little r squared for the net area times dy, making it a volume. Now we have to be careful here because if you look carefully at my little radiuses that go out from axis of rotation to our inner and outer dimensions, we can see that the wall big R always goes to the line x equals 4. Little r for the bottom half does go to the line x equals 2, but for the top half, it goes to the line y equals x. We have to be super careful here as we set up our integrals. Okay, so here we go. All volume then will be, let's do the bottom half. We'll go from 0 to 2. Remember, everything has to be in terms of y when we rotate around something vertical. So we are going to now do big R. Big R for our bottom half, that's just the distance between 4 and 1, so that's just 3. 3 squared. Our little r is just the distance between 2 and 1, so that's 1. So that is our first volume integral. Our next one goes then from 2 to 4. And once again, our big R is still 3 squared, but our little r now goes from y equals x to the line x equals 1. We're doing everything in terms of y, so we'll write it as y minus 1. And then we'll square that dy. Okay, so all of this can be worked out. It's not too bad because if we clean it up, we just get C9 minus 1. So this is just 8 pi. Let's clean that up. So this is just the integral of 8 pi dy. And the other integral from 2 to 4 is of pi. And then it looks like we have, this was a little harder to work on, 9 minus, and then y minus 1 squared dy. Okay, so let's just keep going on this one. The first integral will give me 8 pi. Antiderivative is times y. We insert between 0 and 2. The other one, second integral, we're going to have 9y minus y minus 1 cubed over 3. And we'll integrate. Oh, it's really getting squishy there from 2 to 4. Okay, so let's keep going here. So my first term, that should be a plus. Let's fix that. Okay, so the first one I plug in 2, so I'll get 8 pi, plug in 2 for y, and then subtract 0. The second term, I'm going to plug in 4 for y, so I get 9 times 4 minus 4 minus 1, so 3 cubed over 3. That's the first term. Then I've got to subtract with 2 plugged in. So I get 9 times 2 minus, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 cubed is just 1, so 1/3. Okay, so there's some fraction cleanup to do. When you do the fraction cleanup, you end up with 76 over 3 pi. So the area or the volume by washers is 76 pi over 3. And if you're using your calculator to get the integral, it's 79.587. Okay, hopefully that helped. Have an amazing day.